Hey guys, Mike and Ashley, a Sabbath afternoon adventure. On a peaceful Sabbath afternoon, as the sun gently warmed the streets, Mike and Ashley set out a simple but meaningful adventure, one filled with faith, love, and service. The Sabbath wasn't about staying home or resting alone. It was about going out together with our churchmates to share God's love with others. Our hearts were ready, our hands were willing, and our mission was clear to reach out, to bless, and to serve. As we walked from house to house, we were welcomed not just by doors opening, but by people, families, elders, children, each with their own stories and struggles. In every home we visit, we shared a song, a simple melody, but one filled with hope. As our voices rose together, you could feel the atmosphere change. Some smiled, some closed their eyes, and some quietly wiped away tears. After the songs, we gathered in prayer. We prayed for health, for strength, for peace, and for God's guidance in their lives. Those moments were powerful. There was no rush, just faith, trust, and the presence of God filling each room we stepped into. We were also able to give goods to the families we visit. This simple gift means so much, as we are truly thankful to our sponsor who made this outreach possible. Because of their generosity, we were able to help in a practical way, showing that God's love is not only spoken, but only shared through action. The most beautiful part of the day was seeing the smiles on their faces. In those smiles, we saw hope, we saw gratitude, and we felt incredibly blessed. Being inside their homes, hearing their thank yous, and feeling their warmth reminded us why outreach matters. As Mike and Ashley reflect on the afternoon, our hearts were overflowing with gratitude. We realized that we went out to bless others. We were the one who received so much in return, strengthened faith, renewed purpose, and a deeper love for God's people. Indeed, our God is so good. The blessings He showered on all of us are beyond measure. This Sabbath afternoon adventure was not just an activity, it was a reminder that when we serve with love, God's light shines through us. And for that, we are truly grateful.